Okay, here he goes. First run of the day. It's about February 27th, I think. And he's working his way out to the slope there. He's going fast again. Slow down a little bit, Buckaroo. Good job. Excellent job. Damn, he's getting good.
I'm like a dog.
You're like a doggy snowboarder, huh?
Woof.
You bark? Woof, woof, woof. Okay, we're at the top of the run here. And this is where we're going to go down at. And down there at the bottom left is the lift we came up on. Okay, let me see if I can hang out with you. Careful, it's going to get steep right there. Excellent job, Buckaroo. A little steeper than what we're used to, and he's keeping a control on his speed, which is very good. Very good job controlling your speed. Good job. Okay, monkey boy. No. You having fun today? Yeah. Are we going up to the top right now?
Yes.
We're going up to the very top of the mountain. We're going to see if we can get some good wrecks up there, huh? Yes? Okay, I'm ready for you. Good job. He's leaving me behind. Very good job. Very, very good. Okay, got myself strapped in. Going to give a new run a try. This run right over here. It's more shallow and winds through some trees. And somebody here is ready to roll. I'll follow you, Buckaroo. Well, it's going to pick up, it's going to steepen up, slow down. It's our first run after having lunch. Oh gosh, he's going pretty good. He's kind of flying. Damn, he's getting good. I guess we're going over there, huh? Look at him go. He is tearing it up, man. Very good job, brother. Woo-hoo! Excellent job, Jay. So he's got this snowball that he's been carrying down for this whole run, and he's not going to let go of it. Still got your snowball? Yeah, but you're not letting go of that snowball, are you? You going to throw it at me? I don't believe you.